Okay, today what we're going to do is talk about the importance of lubricants. Brake lubricants should be used in every location you have any mechanical movement between components. What that lubricant does, it stops binding conditions and premature brake wear, and also helps reduce brake noise. Okay, there's a lot of different products out in the industry for brake lubricant. What you want to choose is a good silicone-based synthetic lubricant that is designed for brake systems. One of the misconceptions in the industry is anti-seize. Anti-seize, even though it's a great product for what it was designed for, the true anti-seize is actually not designed for brake systems. You want to stay away from that system. What you want to choose is a good synthetic-based lubricant with high temperature to give you that sliding conditions on the brake systems. As you can see, the assembly is all put together. There are many moving parts on this rear brake assembly. You've got brake shoes sliding back and forth on the backing plate, and it can create noise and binding conditions. What you want to alleviate is any kind of friction with that sliding ability. Lubricate the areas on the backing plate where the shoe contacts and it slides back and forth. Also lubricate the pin areas where the shoe goes. That'll help alleviate any kind of brake noise in the rear brake system. Once again, we have many products that comprise of the front brake system. You've got a caliper, you've got a caliper bracket, and of course you have brake shoes or brake pads and hardware. It's imperative that everything slides so you don't have a binding condition. On the caliper bracket, you want to make sure that you lubricate the area where the pad slides within the bracket to allow this pad to slide nice and easy. The next thing you want to lubricate is the hardware pins. The hardware pins need to slide within the rubber components to allow that caliper to slide back and forth. Lastly, when you install that caliper, you want to lubricate the back of the shim where the pad contacts the caliper pistons and the front of the shim where the pad contacts the front of the caliper. This helps alleviate that pad from binding and gives it the ability to slide within the caliper bracket to help reduce noise. Let's review the steps that we just covered. Number one is you want to use a good silicone-based lubricant that is designed for brake systems. The next thing you want to do is disassemble your products, clean everything from corrosion and rust, then lubricate those areas. You want to lubricate all moving components, whether it's steel on steel or rubber components. By following these steps, you will achieve a good, quiet, reliable brake job.